Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm really excited to share with you a super powerful tool that I think every social seller needs. It's an organized VIP list that makes giving offers and delivering top-notch customer service so much easier. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a VIP list using the Boards app webpage, making it simple for you to give a clear call to action for customers to join. When those deals drop or those exclusive rewards are launched, you're going to be all ready to go and connect with your best prospects and customers right away. For those who are new here, I'm Mindy Baxen. I'm a top leader in the social selling space and founder of Christian Women Building Business Together. I help business owners just like you leverage simple strategies to grow your business, build customer loyalty, and make the most of your tools, and specifically, get organized. So if you're looking for easy to follow steps to make your business stand out, you are in the right place. Let's get started. So the Boards app is an app that you can download on your phone, but it also comes with a desktop version. And today I'm going to be showing you the desktop version and how you can create a simple VIP list using the web pages. Now, if you're not familiar with Boards, I think down at the bottom, if you create a new account, there should be an opportunity on tutorials down here at the bottom. So definitely check that out because I'm not going to get into all of that today on this call. But I want to show you web pages. So web pages is super slick. I used it to create my VIP list. I also used it to create an easy shareable link for my daughter and I as we're fundraising for our trip to Guatemala. But today I'm going to show you my VIP list I created. Again, this is so fun and so simple and gives you an easy call to action if you're building your business on social media for you to share product, for you to share excitement about maybe some sales or deals that are coming. And then simply by clicking this share button here, watch this, simply sending this via text message, sending this in Messenger, sharing in your comments on your video. It's going to give them the opportunity to opt in because they want more information on what you got. Okay, so I'm going to take you through how I built this, but first, let me start with what exactly is it? So in my company, Black November is a big deal. As I'm talking about products, as I'm sharing that deals are coming down the pipeline, my call to action is, hey, if you want to get on my VIP list, drop VIP below and I'll get you the link. Okay, simple strategy, right? So they get this link and they go, okay, wow, free gifts with purchase, shipping free over $50. Okay, yada, yada, yada. Yep, I want the biggest savings. Joining this list, I'll be the first to know about the offers, so on and so forth. Now, me personally, from a business perspective, I was strategic about putting this together, and I'll tell you why in a little bit. I want to know, do they want weight loss information, collagen? Are they looking for our skincare? Maybe they want all of it, right? All of our non-toxic clean label products. It's also important for me to know whether or not they're an existing customer. If they are, they click this button. If they're not, I prompt them to add yourself to the list and click the button below to create your free account. If they don't have an account, this is where they create it, okay? So let's just show you what this looks like if somebody were to fill this out. Okay, they add to the list. You've been added to the list. I'll be sending you a short text confirmation soon. If you don't have an account, click it here. And then what they're going to do, let's just say they don't have an account and they need to create one. So they're going to click here, and what the system's going to do, I set up a link that goes directly, that's my referral code, directly to my account. So when they get here, they can go ahead and click on, actually, it's going to come up with a registration, I think. Anyway, the point is they're going to create a free account. That's the goal. Okay, let's get back in, and I want to show you exactly how to create your own step by step. So when we get back into Boards, you're going to click on Add Page. I'm actually going to minimize this because I'm going to do a side by side. We'll create exactly what I created here. So it starts with just a simple headline. Click the headline button, type in your headline, or just copy and paste what I did. Okay. Next, we're going to put in an image. And as we click on that, it's going to go to where I saved my images. Somewhere in here. Here we go. Done. The next step is to add the paragraph. And again, Utilize ChatGPT if you need help with this. I highly recommend it. So there we go. All right, next, and you don't have to follow this if you don't want to, but I'll show you how I did it. That tell me more is actually a form. Now, I'm going to title it Tell Me More. But you see how it already has this information in it? We're going to move this to the bottom of the form, but first we've got to add this information. All right. So if you don't want them, if it's not required to add a phone number or email, I mean, you have to require one of them because you want to get a hold of them, right? You can uncheck this box if it's not required. So I'm going to require a phone number for sure. Email address can be optional. I am going to delete the message part though. Okay, now I'm going to add a field. So the field that I'm going to add is going to be this part here, which is a multiple choice. Okay. And then you add your options. Oops. I'm not going to add all of these. You guys get the idea, right? So we'll just add those two. Then I've got another field I'm going to add. Do you already have a customer account? We're going to add that field, and that is going to be multiple choice. So, do you already have a customer? Okay, and that's required. And yes, I have an account. No, I need to create one. And then I'm just gonna, however you guys want to do this, here's how I did it, right? After you add yourself to the list, click the button below to create your free account. Okay, there we go. I think we're done. So, okay, before we go to the next button, I want to move this up here. So I'm going to move this to the top. Okay, and then I'm going to move this in the middle above name. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, so it starts with tell me more, right? And then do you already have a customer account? And then at the bottom is where I want them to enter their information in. I've required this, and I don't require that. Okay, now we're going to click the next button. And when we do that, here comes the label, the submit button label. So you can put add me to your list, right? Or enter VIP list here, whatever, however you want to put that. Most importantly, the responses I think are key because this you'd want to have a Gmail account for because it creates the responses in a Google Sheet. So if you don't have a Gmail account, just go get a free account. Okay, super simple. And connect your Gmail account. And then we're going to click on connect Google Sheets. Okay, so the Google Sheets link will appear here after saving. So once we get it saved, it's going to connect it to a Google Sheet. I'll show you guys that. You can do a display message. This was my display message, right? You've been added to the list. Okay. Or you could direct them to a website, however you want to do it. But I'm going to click done. And that's it. There. That's it. Now I want to show you how to share this. So we can click done here, right? And then it's going to be down here, be the first to know the details. This share button right here is going to be the link that you're going to want to share in your stories or on your, Facebook Live or wherever you're wanting to have people opt in. That's the button. So we're going to copy and paste this. And then I'm going to show you, okay, they're interested in weight loss and this, and they don't have an account and their name is Judy Smith, right? 701 Judy Smith at Gmail. Okay, so they're going to enter their information in. Awesome. They've been added to the list. Okay. When that is done, you will go over to your Gmail account and you will see that you have a notification, which is awesome, right? That somebody has filled it out. Somebody has opted in. New form response. Tell me more.
right here. So this is their information, Judy Smith. It's all done right here. But like I said, they connect it to a sheet, which I think is amazing. So you'll go into Google Drive. Okay. Again, this is why you need to have a Gmail account. So don't do this if you don't have a Gmail account. Okay, be the first to know. So when we click on that, it will open up to your list. Okay. Now you can also get to that Google Sheet through the Boards app. So if we go back into our Be the First to Know the Details form and we click on Tell Me More and we click Next, that will actually link the sheet right there as well. Okay, so there's two ways to get at it. You can either search in your Google Drive or you can go back into the board. Now, one more thing, that can be it right there, enter the VIP list. If you do need to have your customer create an account and you want to link your referral website to this form, you go ahead and click button, link, and you can enter in, again, let's just go. This is really important, you guys. It's important to grab the link directly off the internet, okay? Because it adds this https://. So copy it, paste it. Right, create your account here. You can add that. And of course, I know I had a paragraph in between there too, so we can add a paragraph. And if you don't have your account, however, I said all that, okay? So, and then we just boop, move it up, okay? So there you go. I hope this was helpful.